Importance of staffing. Staffing function is important due to the following reasons. Number one, huge investment. The creation and maintenance of competent and dedicated workforce require considerable investment in terms of time, money and efforts. The return on investment in the procurement and development of staff can be high or low, even negative, depending upon the manner in which the staffing function is carried out. Efficient and effective staffing help to maximize return on investment in human resources. Number two, long-term implications. Investment in human resources has long-term effects. Therefore, decisions in the area of staffing are crucial, particularly in case of managerial personnel. Moreover, human resources tend to become obsolete with the advancement in technology and other changes. Number three, multiplier effect. People are the most valuable asset of any organization. Other assets such as land and building, machinery, equipment, money and material becomes productive only when people use them properly. Therefore, the quality of human resources has a multiplier effect on all parts of the organization. Number four, holistic approach. The contribution of a person in an organization depends not merely on his own competency and motivation, but also on the competence and motivation of his superiors and subordinates and on the facilities provided to him. A holistic approach is necessary for nurturing people and building a sound human organization. Number five, key to other functions. Without people, an organization is an empty shell of job positions. Staffing injects life into the organization by providing the right person for every job. And number six, liberalization and globalization, skillful management of human resources has become essential for success in business in the modern era of global competition. Moreover, serious moral and legal issues are involved in the acquisition, utilization and discharge of employees. Due care is required to be on the right side of law and ethics while performing various activities of staffing function.